What is up, ladies and gentlemen? So in today's video, we're going to be having a look at Vexels. This is a design service I use for my print-on-demand business. So this is going to be an overview of the website and how I personally use it to make money online, selling stuff like t-shirts, mugs, pop sockets, all kinds of products. Start off, let's just go all the way to the top bar, and we're going to go through this and explain how I use it. Now, here we have merch ready design. So a lot of these things are already set up for you to upload. Most of these designs, if you are using merch by Amazon, you can pretty much download it and it's ready to upload with the correct dimensions that merch by Amazon requires. And you can also put these into any print on demand service that's out there. So now we go here, we have vector designs, PNG, SVGs. So these two are pretty much going to be more for the designer that wants to create its own design. So you can upload these vector artworks or images and create your own designs with Photoshop or any other design software out there. So now down here we have the mockups. So the mockups are fairly new and they look really good. So this would be a place where you would want to showcase your designs using these models, and you can share them on any social media like Instagram. So now we're going to have a look at the Photoshop t-shirts. So ideally you want to have Photoshop to use these files to their full potential. So right here in the next section, niches. So these are basically market ideas you can go tackle. So whether it's culture, finance, tennis, or like kind of like sports. So I've done quite a bit in finance, especially with crypto. I've been somewhat successful. I do like astrology. There's a lot of like musicians. So if you're not sure what to do, or if you already have a niche with an audience to target, you can go in here, look for your niche, and you'll have design ideas. So let's have a look at, like, say, finance. I actually have a couple of my designs here on this page that I requested. So let's look at topics. So pretty much like niches. I don't really see the difference between those two, but you can go ahead and explore those, give you different ideas. Styles, so type of style of art. Collections, let's have a look at the collections. I haven't really looked at this one. Okay, so you have a collection of similar designs. All right, so let's go up here, categories. Let's see what we can find there. All right, so you have other kind of niche ideas, or let's say categories that you can tackle. So Halloween's coming up. This is a great niche to get started if you are unsure what to do. So we have some pretty cool stuff here. So, I'll just download it and edit with my text right here. Same thing, same concept. I could download some of these designs, edit it, or upload them as they are. Now in the product section, you're going to be looking at designs that are geared more to these certain products that we have highlight here. So here we have t-shirts, we have KDP design. So these are books. So KDP is basically selling books on Amazon. You can either sell books with content. So right here, I think it's probably like a coloring book, or you can also design or sell books that have blank pages. You can go back to products. So you have designs that are more geared to phone cases, pop sockets, pillow, posters. Here you can create your own logo or elements that help you create your own logo, business cards, and you have presentations. All right, right here we have the mockup generator. So right here is a simple way to create some mockups. So let's upload something and we'll see how it works. So I'm uploading my logo. So right there I can size it up or down, move it about, and then an easy way to create a mockup. So right here I can just download it. So this would be the t-shirt maker. Now I haven't used this just because I'm really comfortable using Photoshop, and I do know that there's a lot more advantages of using Photoshop. But this is a great tool if you have no experience designing and you kind of have some ideas. You can kind of use these elements, and you can also upload some stuff, I believe, right here. So some of those designs that you saw previously or vector designs, you can bring them into here and kind of create your designs. So then here we have the logo maker, fairly similar to what I was showing you with the t-shirt designs, but this is more geared to making logos. Design requests. So I'm going to submit a design request. I have an idea of what I want, and I'm going to show you the process in that. Right over here is merch digest. We're going to have a look at that, and then we have the blog. But let's have a look at merch digest. This is a really cool newsletter that every month they release. So we are in the beginning of August. Let's have a look at what August newsletter has in store. Right here. So here they're celebrating their 3-year anniversary of this resource. I've personally been liking this newsletter, so it kind of gives you ideas what's going on, what's new in the industry, what's new with Vexels. Talk about niches or ideas, topics, really cool stuff. Right here in the previous newsletter, they were focusing on Halloween. So again, this is a great niche to tackle, especially since Halloween is coming up soon. And this is one of my favorite parts about this newsletter, is that they kind of give you heads up of different events that are happening. So now I'm just going to show you how I'm using these files, and we're later going to do a merch design request. So I like this design. We're going to see what we can come up with. I'll kind of show you my process. So I'm going to go here, download this. So in this occasion, I'm going to be using Photoshop to add some text. Now, I'm only using Photoshop because it's the most common used design software out there. So here comes the tricky part. I want to add some text to this. Now, typically what I would do before is I would go to Google and I would search. So like for me, this is, what is this called? A zombie hand. So this design is called Zombie Hand Ghost Graveyard. So typically I would go in Google and say like funny zombie design or something. But lately I've been really looking at memes as for inspiration. So in this occasion, I looked for a zombie meme, and there was a suggested phrase, zombie apocalypse meme. So I'm gonna go in here, see if I can come up with an idea of what kind of text to put in the t-shirt. The zombie apocalypse is here, so I really doubt this is gonna be trademark. There's already a few, as you can see, there's a few designs. It seems to be not a bad idea. So the zombie apocalypse is here. So that's going to be our text that we're going to do. Now, if you guys would like to see more of the design process or how I'm using Photoshop, let me know and I'll create videos like that. But if not, I'm just going to go through the whole process and kind of make it go fast. So right here, I have two designs. So this is roughly the idea I want to give you guys how I'm using Vexels to create my own unique designs. So I'm going to upload these onto the print-on-demand platforms that I'm currently selling, and we'll see how they do. So now we're going to merch requests. So we're going to request a design. So right now, I'm allowed to request 3 designs for my use. Now, I will have first access to this design, so I can be the first person to put these up online and have them for sale. But then eventually, everyone else will have access to these designs that you request. So I really like this meme, one of the latest memes I really liked. So I'm hoping Vexels can somehow recreate this design. I don't want them to do text as I done before in the previous design I just showed. I'm mostly focusing that they create the illustration and I can take care of the rest. Visit this. I'm gonna need the URL for this to share with Vexels. So this is the meme I want to recreate. It's about aliens. Aliens right now be like, we're up next. All right, so I filled out my idea right here. I'm not going to include text. I just want him to do the illustration. I have the 2 image references right here. So let's have a look at what they require for the design request. 1 design per request. We don't do exclusive projects, so I'll have first access to it, but everyone else eventually will be able to use it. Be respectful. Choose trademark free quotes. And we do original content. So this is one of the best things about Vexels is they haven't disappointed me with original, like they deliver with the original content. Let's make a design request. Hopefully everything's good. I'm not putting anything here. I think this is empty, right? Yeah. So I have here, so it's the theme is an alien invasion. Okay, let's make the design request. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about Vexels, let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. But this is one of the services I really, really happy that I've been investing in this subscription. It's definitely been working out. The designs are great quality. They've also reached out to me and said if there's some other ways I can improve this platform, if I have any ideas. So if you guys have any ideas of what this is missing or what they can do better at, please let me know, and I could probably forward that message to them and maybe have them consider it more. All right, ladies and gentlemen, have a great week, day, night, wherever you're at. Peace.